To use the Digital Assignment Notebook, select or tap where it says Digital Assignment Notebook File. Once you select there, you will see that it opens up into Google Slides. Now you can decide if you would like to use it as a Google Slide or if you would like to import it into Notability. They both have similar functionalities, but it is a matter of your preference. If you would like to use it as a Google Slides, you go over here where it says File, select File, and then you will select right here where it says Make a Copy. And you'll select the entire presentation, or you could select certain files. If you would like to use it in Notability, you come down here where it says Download, and you will select a PDF document, portable document file. Once you select there, it'll take a minute. It is a large file, and you will get this message. Select down here where it says More, and now you will see an option to send it to Notability. You can create a new note, you can rename it, you can file it where it needs to be, and you can select the pages. After that, select Import. Once you have sent the document to Notability, you are able to use it the same way that you would use Notability for class notes. So for example, if I come down into this week, I can see right here, I have this week, and we can see where it's labeled Gold and Purple Days. So let's say that tonight I need to study the Quizlet deck for Spanish. I'm just simply going to write in Spanish Study Quizlet deck. And this works similarly to how a paper assignment notebook would work. Okay. Now, if you can see that there's 50 pages, if you would like to delete previous weeks, especially if you haven't used it before, you can simply click over here or select over here, and now you can see all of the pages listed down in here. When you are in there, so say example, you want to get rid of the previous dates that you don't need, you can select it and you can click delete page. Okay. Or if you would like to put it into reverse order or put the most current week, you could simply hold that and drag it up to where you want it to go.